And getting ready to put all of Cece's stuff on her so she can run.
These are not, they're just as reliable, but they're not so easy to use. When you start using these things because there's no air in them, it tells you where it is. You've got to swing it around. And, when you get used to using them, I mean, I can locate a dog real easy. And if you bring the sensitivity down.